Hello, sir. And this is the full lay of the machine. And you take I close all the part that inside the machine. Okay, the first lay you should check it. Okay, to taking the top. Okay, have this one part. Okay, that be then the knife cut under coconut. Okay, take it. Take this. It's okay. Yeah. And after that, you have four like food of the machine. Okay, check it. Okay, check something. Everything is okay. Like this. Okay, after you open two, you can take to the hole, okay? And after that, have really strong and put in this. Okay, and check it. Check again. Okay. For about two under machine, okay, you can check in the machine half the number and this half the number is the same. Okay, this is one. After that, you can take this to the machine and close it.